Alright, before I start today's video, this is just a snippet of some of my Forex trading. And for those who are asking, my mentorship is open. So if you are a beginner and you have been dying to get into Forex, then my mentorship is for you. This is where you're going to learn to be a profitable trader. But first, we need to teach you technical analysis. You need to know which pairs are the best to trade. But if you're starting to get more serious about trading and you want to get into Forex, then click the link below. Now, let's start today's video. If you have been struggling to figure out how in the world you can scalp on these candles using the RSI so you can get multiple wins like this, then this video is for you. So please keep watching. I'm going to give you the exact tips on what you need to look for. Let's get into it. First, as you can see, look exactly where my RSI is. It's just a sliver under the 70, and that is what you're looking for. Now, my entries are going to be right when that RSI slowly starts to get right under the 70 line, as you can see. And then you can take your multiple entries going down. Same thing, pay attention exactly where the RSI signal is at. It's right under the 70, and that's where you want to start to begin to make your entries. You don't have to go crazy. Maybe try one or two, do whatever is comfortable with you. And again, I would suggest starting in the demo doing this before you do it in your live. Okay, once it starts heading down, you don't need to make any more entries after that. You're only making the entries for this particular situation is pushing up and the RSI signal is under the 70. All right, got that one. Okay, so now our focus needs to be on the 30 line of the RSI. Same concept. We're looking for that signal to be like a sliver right above that 30, and that's when we want to start making our multiple entries going up. Again, if the candle continues to push down, we want to continue to make a lot of entries, and then once it starts going green, and then that's when we stop. Yeah, and as you can see, it's very risky. So don't overdo it, and you need to practice on hitting that entry so it doesn't reverse on you and you end up blowing your account. That's why you need to do this in the demo if you want to try this. And this is where it gets a little sticky because as you can see, I'm limited to 20 trades. So now the candle is going to continue to push down. My line is going to be below the 30. So you kind of almost have to wait and you kind of balance it out, but you've got to be ready to take some losses in order to get some wins. So as you sift through the different pairs, you're just simply looking for the signal to be at the 30 or at the 70. And that's when you can get set up to start making your entries. Okay, so I took a bit of a loss on that last one. Now I'm going to try to recover on another pair. Like I said, this is very risky. Don't do this in your live account. It's suggested to do this in your demo account until you get comfortable making your entries right above the 30 if you're going for a buy, or right below the 70 if you're going for a sell. And it's also suggested to, again, look for those candles where we have a lot of volatility and the candles are moving. So that's it. If this video was helpful, subscribe, send me a like, and I'll see you on the next video.